Introducing the 2019 Volvo XC40 T3 Momentum 5-door in sleek grey. This Estatejeep Jeep is loaded with convenience and safety features, including cruise control, satellite navigation, collision alert, and lane departure warning. Experience luxury with air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, and a powertrain warranty. Rest easy, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer standards. With a comprehensive warranty included, you can hit the road with confidence. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line Volvo. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today for more details.